Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are briefly going to discuss about how you can download the Chipotle app on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all we gotta do is search for the app on the Play Store. Go on the search button and search for Chipotle app. Once you type it in, you can see that the Chipotle app is not available in our region, so we will go and choose our preferred browser and insert the URL of Chipotle APK version, which is www.chipotle.en.up2down.com. So once we do it, we will be redirected to its homepage. Now all we need to do is simply click on the download option. So in matter of seconds we can get the option to download the app. So after giving all the access, now your file is being downloaded. It will take a few minutes to be downloaded, and after some few minutes you can see that finally your Chipotle app has been downloaded. So now all you need to do is press on the install button and it will start to install the app on your device. So once the installation process is completed, it will redirect you to its security scan page. So after the app passes through the security scan, you are all set with your Chipotle app downloaded in your Android device. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.